Pues bien, sacar todo el mugre de la ropa. El agua está negra. Saca todo el mugre de la ropa. Este es el espacio para exprimir la ropa. Y pues aunque se ve pequeño, cabe bastante ropa y la verdad esto viene para 5 minutos, pero yo le coloco 2 y con eso es más que suficiente. Y acá, bueno, está todo el ciclo de lavado. Acá pues drena y acá el suavizante. Pero me pareció excelente, es una muy buena alternativa para así cuando no tiene espacios reducidos.
So I just received this in the mail today. This spinner works. It was spinning and everything else. So, it works. No problem. However, I've had this washer on and it was on 15 minutes. Till now, it's not doing anything but making noise. Just making noise. Today is the first day I got it, and you can tell how powerful it is. It's a really great design. It's bigger than what I had, and it works. Right now it's washing, and it's also spin drying. As you can see, if you stop it, the spinner will stop. You close it back down, the spinner starts again. This right here is only a work pants, work shirt, but I'm going to add some extra stuff. I like a lot of spin. Maybe one more. You don't need to add a lot of detergent. Makes it easier to rinse. Set it here. You could put the holes that it came with here, but I'm just using my shower hose to fill it up. And here's a spin cycle, and then you could also put the hose here, so in case you want to do an extra rinse while it's spinning. That's all. Simple, inexpensive. It works. Drains right there. You don't have to worry about leaks.
This is my new washer, and I love it. Not very loud. Works pretty well. The cord is a little short. I had to buy an extension cord, but that's okay. I bought this little dolly underneath in case I wanted to wheel this into the bathroom and put it in the tub. The only thing is, I might get me a couple of milk crates to put underneath to raise it up to make it easier to drain. Goes into the bucket, into the sink. As you can see, it's not very loud. And the spin extractor makes the clothes come out more damp dry than the main washers here in this development.
Just got this and I was really looking forward to it. It was going to save me a lot of money and a lot of hassle. I live in a studio apartment. You know, there's not a lot of places for me to even put this. You know what I mean? The best place would be in the bathroom. Can't put it here. It's got to be like this. This is what it would look like if it was set up. What? Okay, so basically, don't mind my dirty towels. Anyways, the hose, it's not long. The cord, by the way, is not long, okay? Yes, it plugs in right here, but if it said, oh, it's an extra long cord, and I was reading and it's like, oh, it's an extra long cord, and, you know, you might need to get some new, I might need to replace that and make it longer. I'm like, okay, you know, whatever, right? I thought this was supposed to be a dryer. You know, it's kind of got a bit of dryer looking thing on it. I don't know if this was on there. You know, please don't touch bubble heating, moving parts, blah, 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 spinning. Right, so I'm guessing this is for draining. I'm not entirely sure. I don't know why there'd be two water inlets either, and it doesn't tell you how to really set that up in the instructions. You know, like, let's be honest, that's the only place this fits, because the other side looks like this. Now, when you put it on the water inlet, it doesn't even stay on, so technically it would make sense, right, that you'd put it the other side on. Either way, it don't work like that. On top of that, why is this green? It's freaking green in here. Like, I'm afraid to even touch it. I don't know what that is. It's all like moldy-ish green. And it looks like there's water, like that's mold water spots. What is that? I don't freaking know. This thing, which took me forever to find because it doesn't tell you. It's the thing I'm pinching, pulling through. It's not coming out. So how are you supposed to remove the filter? I can't have a washer machine just standing like this all the time. You know, I can't even pull it closer. You know, I can't even do that. Like, I can't have it in here because then the hose doesn't reach. I can't keep it over here because then the hose doesn't reach. And on top of that, it's you know, if I put it back to where it was, right? If I put it back to where it was, and I have to go to the bathroom or something, right? And if I had to go to the bathroom, and this thing's also open, like, I gotta squeeze my thick thighs through a little small crack, and then I gotta basically be like, hang on, I could do this, right? No, I can't. As I'm dropping cords, because then I gotta shimmy my way to go to the bathroom. Like, this is not ideal. This sucks. Like, I was really looking forward to this, and I feel it's a waste of money. If it, sorry for the box. If it did, I had to move everything. I had to move everything just to get this in here. This is so stupid. Oh, and on top of that, right? Sorry for the one cat hair. It's attracting cat hair like crazy. But, like, this whole thing right here, it's dirty AF, right? And it looks like it was dirty. It looks like it's been used. It legit, to me, it looks like someone returned it, someone didn't like it, and they just put more of this crap stuff over it and put the hose in there and hope for the best that no one would notice. That's what it looks like to me. It's, And 2-in-1, by the way, 2-in-1, when someone says, oh, it's a 2-in-1 washer, right? I think, okay, so there's a washer and a dryer, right? No. And when you say twin tubs, I think, okay, well, yeah, 2-in-1 twin tub washer. Therefore, washer, dryer, twin tubs. And it's not. So, yeah, this is not what I thought I was buying. Not entirely. Thought this was the washer, this was the dryer. The instructions are horrible. You can't even keep this anywhere. Like, this is ridiculous. You know, can't even. I was gonna do a test run, right? And because I put it on TikTok, and that's why the thing's going off. But I was gonna do a test run with a couple of things, and when I opened it, I was like, ew, what the hell is that? I'm not putting my dirty ass towels to get clean in there, you know? Like, I don't even know if I can, if there's even enough light in the world for you guys to really see this. But, like, let's see if I can turn on another light. But, there we are. Yeah, it's green. And then, all those 2 black spots. What is that? What is that? That's nasty. I don't even know. And the fact, I'm now, like, stressed out because this was $121, right? And if I were to get a dryer, miraculously, if it worked, I would have been like, okay, if there was no thing on the inside, I'd been like, all right, you know, I can replace a hose. No problem. I could deal with that for a few hours. No problem, right? But here's the thing. There's no dryer. So I'm going to have to spend another $100 and something on a dryer. And, you know, and if it didn't have a dryer, why didn't it just, like, message or say, hey, you know, people who also bought this, you know what I mean? And it didn't say that when I was looking at the product description. But also, how am I supposed to take this? How am I supposed to ship this back to them with a return? That's the bottom. I didn't even cut that. I pulled the washer out, and this was attached to the bottom. It wasn't even properly taped. And on top of that, are you telling me I'm probably going to have to pay shipping for this? Like, this is insane. It is insane. This is definitely insane, and I should have listened to the negative reviews.
So I received my mini washer dryer. I had to use the hose from my old one because this one doesn't fit on anything. I took it to the hardware store and the guy said it won't work on anything. And another thing that I don't like is the hose. It's very short, so I had to figure out a way to get my machine up high so I can drain it in the toilet. So I got 2 crates, zip tied them together. Turn this off. Okay, get ready to start. So I put some towels in there. And let's start. Do it on soft. It's smaller than my 24-pound mini washer dryer that I had, but it's much powerful. It's much more powerful. Look at that, and it's on soft. But it doesn't hold as much. I can't wash blankets anymore, so I have to go to the laundromat. Spinner's good, but it's smaller than the other one I had. So I like it. It's just really small but powerful. Cleans really well, but like I said, two things I don't like. This, which doesn't fit on anything, any faucet, and this short hose to drain. I would not put this in my tub. It fits perfectly between my sink and my toilet in my bathroom. Where the other one, that was 26 pounds, it fit right in there too, but it had a longer drain hose. But I do think this one is a better model as far as the power and it lasting longer. My other one, the spinner, broke. So that's my review. Just let you see the crates under there, how high it is. There you go.
Marina.
That was louder than it had to be. And just feed it back in there and snap it back in.
Hello, my name is Deborah Farrow. I purchased this little washing machine because I am disabled in a wheelchair and I can't go out and get my laundry done. I live alone. I received this from Super Deals, but it's not the one that I ordered. This one is a Zenny, and I ordered a Super Deals machine, so I don't know how exactly I got this machine. But I had a problem with it. It jammed on me. And I contacted Amazon and I contacted Super Deals and I told them about it. And you're not going to believe this, but the seller is going to send me a brand new machine free of charge. Just like that. That type of service just does not exist anymore. And I am so pleased. And not only with Super Deals, but with Amazon.
They are a great company, and this is an awesome seller.